You don't know it's Tuesday morning and I am off to work. No sun not really come up yet, still the place full of frost. So I walk go to a lot of shop way. See if me get a drive for go Mobile. Alright? So I'm just stay tuned. You see what I say? In the meantime, play with the like button and then make good stuff there. Like I say market I go on this morning. Like I say market I go on this morning, people. Lot of you go and be and see out your string out to sit them out the road side. Like say you know out to go market. See it? All the market goods them have a sign on people they be a wait for him. Someone know why I deal with. Look pump fine up here. Look there people. See banana all of this. But lot of you go on good. Blouse, cup, banana. People at work, me I go and come back up a lot out just I go with bathing. Yeah. You're not easy now. You say anything you can make in the early morning, you make it. Yeah, till I reach a market. Eh? V out ya? Never know say V out ya. No. No. When they are here yesterday. Yeah. Alright. I say, rain catch me at work today, so I never not normal. The rain fall and fall and fall and fall. Right now, look on the road. I can't cross. Okay. Good water. Gotcha. Look at the road, Tom. Jesus! Gotcha. Watch out for this. Brother, you don't like this style and look here. Watch here. It's not normal. This is not healthy. A man has a pre-port stay in the rain fall, you know? Man, the place full of water. Rain look like it's going to come back down again. Watch water in the road. I'm going to cross this now. I'm going to go walk in the mega road. I'm going to go walk in the mega road. You know, mega road now to go walk across this road. See the water. The weather in here, the Tuesday weather. I know some breed of rain will fall. Just as me leave out of workplace, you know. The rain just come down. I mean like just as me go through the door. I could bother go through the door because I want to reach out to gate. I say God no. And when I feel say rain go fall for 10 or 20 minutes, I say better me shut up. The place flood. Judge God. For me I walk go now see if I get drive. Because I come like nothing and come pierce up on the road. Real Korean.
Yo, on a pre subscribe to Shana TV. You understand? Yeah. Easy, little.
Touch it.
Easy, now. You're just early brushing. Oh, yeah, best killing them. Be a trouble them sitting there gear no man in a corner place man.
I'm traffic and normal still at daytime. Everyday traffic. We not traffic about an hour now to go
Drive up a vehicle, brother.
As soon as we pass the truck after we traffic down, no?
The poster man they have sense, you see me? So far him stop. Yeah. Each chuck more space to go around.
I can't hitch up behind him certain way because he run back.
Hitch up back on.
So you see me give him distance.
Not traffic till me a sweat.
God, you that. You examine now and can't pass.
See, I can't even stop here.
Big bad man.
Punishment. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today is Thursday morning, and we are off to movie shooting
right now. You go buy one of coat tail, you know.
Raji, like I say, I'm going to buy a coat tail. We stop at what restaurant are your name again? Arawak. We stop at Arawak restaurant, so Lato say I'm gonna get himself some cocktail. I don't eat those stuff. I don't eat cocktail, I don't eat no farmer tail, I don't eat pigtail. I don't eat no farmer foot neither. I don't eat cow foot, I don't eat chicken foot. People look squad look decent this morning. Gentlemen. People look no bad boy thing like that. Look at my squaddy.
My eye is sitting around with one of my eye.
I have allergy. Little dust going in my eye yesterday and by little dust going there. And he said I feel like something in my eye. But I know it Nick start to rub it eye, which he shouldn't do. I drop in eye, but guys, it swell a lot now. And he not get to go on no road. So in the home. So don't worry yourself, that's so alright. I think by the end of the day we go back down because it's on its way going down. So we are going to work, let's see if we can finish up Squaddy 2 road. Part 4, yeah, that's the motive that we're upon in our morning. Oh, I see Vibes the Rasta over there, so I don't know if you remember that Vibes the Rasta right there. See, yeah, Rasta!
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
You good, doing good, you know?
I'm here.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Juggling.
Yeah,
And we don't stop juggling.
every
Till
time.
the day of harvest.
Yeah,
One is our respect.
respect every
Come
time.
to
Yeah, man, people like Vibes the Rasta that when we did show up on my YouTube channel, we are going to say, I eat that. Yeah. So, in a while, I'm going to just go and stay tuned. Please do remember to press like. You understand? So, in the meantime, nothing.
Cool me nah buy any.
Yeah, cool out.
Cool me take a cool out and I cool over here, so you see me?
You see.
Yeah.
Like I say, go and buy pigtail. What name? Pigtail.
Coattail.
Coattail.
Oxtail.
Oxtail in coattail?
Yes.
Oxtail.
And then you know,
Hogstail.
I never
No,
say,
hog it
I never say oxtail. Oxtail.
Oxtail. What kind, where that the meat come on? Which animal it come
Cow man.
So a coattail is the name? A coattail is the name. No oxtail.
Hey.
I don't want none of that to eat though, you know?
Eh?
You know, say I don't want none. I don't want none of that, brother. Eat there something there.
Hey.
Fish, me like.
Rather eat the cow cat more than it.
No.
The
I'm not too fussy beef. A beef come from cow, don't it?
beef come from cow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not too fussy beef because I hardly get it to eat.
Jendi.
Power sir.
Check.
Okay.
Yeah, alright.
Bad, alright. I bad chef that in a people. Bad chef on a hour. Nice food then cook. I pay nice food cook on us. So some of them I not eat as me tell them about. A good some them if you gonna eat too. Buddy, we get some cold drinks. Your phone? Happy birthday yesterday. Rasta said yesterday and birthday, so we are making no say happy birthday yesterday. Not too late. I'll take on the journey now.
That's when I know you're general.
Left that, you know. One has our respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Let's see how there.
Yeah, yeah.
Get a Rasta. Not the plug out.
The connection is okay? Yes, and you have the tracking number.
Yeah.
Yes. Make sure it's because I don't want anything to go wrong on this journey, you know. There's no one who get paid. Uncle me, you're gonna get paid. Yes. Run it. Send it through, send it fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, rapido. Work it. Yeah.
What that mommy?
No stop, no, when no beg no talk to nobody, just come through with it.
Take no talk from nobody.
Yes. Do what me say if you do. No need no food if you're hungry. Tell till your belly hungry till you reach back where me there.
If you want piss up.
Yeah, if you want piss up.
Yeah.
Piss in a back then. You're not a soldier? Alright.
No look no friend, no look no help.
Make sure you say transaction go through. Make sure you say you come back. I know me again for Chucky package.
Now
See?
don't miss
I'm
no
out.
call.
Yeah, you hear that? You hear me background and I need to hear nothing else.
Oh. Yeah man, I saw we come down. I saw we got to
No,
know.
that obvious thing is the 1 hour put on the lip gloss in your pass of a second and never go on.
But I mean, elbow lip pass, I mean, seriously,
But
wall.
look here. A 1 hour she put on her lip gloss and she
Fallan,
pass leave not second and just passing pass and
No,
everything
Shana,
just pass.
so what feel say, me elbow pass something, but me too rough.
But later they try to make you know now say her lip gloss not good. Cause she take 1 hour to put it on and you take 1 second from it
I
on.
brush by everything jump off her lip. The man will make that no good, it no good.
Let's say you told me off, because nobody didn't talk to you.
Here, come. Sit down.
I think we have been at this close 3 weeks now.
Every week Brittany go on things, you know guys. Every single week.
Not this way.
Every week she a
Britney,
bam
she
bam.
out here, she feeling like
In the game
bro.
last week, say man make up for last
She
week.
feel like Britney got.
You never come last week. You never come last week. I want to mark your absence.
No, I didn't come last
You never come
Yes, last
last
week,
week.
last week.
Remember, say you didn't come because of me.
What is this? You can't open camera.
You ain't come on
Remember.
Nikki?
No, I tell him.
What you wear?
They were weird.
Yeah, what you wear? What we wear?
What we wear, you know?
What we wear?
Something over there. He said,
What?
going in, I know.
We suit, no?
I'm soon going in, I know.
Yeah,
This is for the week before or other week before.
No, I must know when they did it.
What we wear, you know?
Me not remember.
I was say 3 weeks now, this is suit that coming up. Where's that Brittany? Oh, let me show you something, Brittany. I have new hairstyle. We have one new Brittany on the team.
Love fill you from Philippines.
New Brittany over there, so. Every week you hang out
I
there.
say that yourself.
Oh, sorry.
TMI.
Wait there, no. I'm coming to this, I can't come over.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Nobody not drink your sitting
Yeah, we don't know how old
You
it is.
can't come up here.
Yeah, man, I eat. Me see when I come up with the feature. Me see, yeah, man, I eat. Me see when I come.
Nobody pull it down.
Hey.
You pull the Brittany, they go
You say
like
like jollof and fufu.
jollof and fufu.
We don't want yummy too.
Jollof rice.
We love jollof and fufu too. We want
One is,
Jollof rice.
jolly rice.
African.
Jelly rice.
Fried chicken.
jelly rice.
Jelly rice.
What you call jelly rice?
Jollof rice.
Me said to you move. Me don't know what it is.
Me don't know say you said. Me I fall you said. I fall you said.
Yeah, see me said a good vital up you come rest me shoulder pie.
What is this?
Let me give you
a piece of.
Let me give Brittany what me I give her now.
No, me not see where you put your bag. Oh, your bag. Hey, piece of bag you wanna run me down for. Me not drink out of them big. Oh, them big jump and jug there. And I know water back that a jug. Why? True, Jada look good pan. True, she look good pan camera. She just love when people turn camera. Yeah. Let me tell them saying look good pan camera and they blush. A fart, you know? Fool no fart.
Sister Shana.
Come. You gay. Come gay. Gigi.
Now Brittany, you say you have to call see first.
Goddamn pedophile, you know, it's not practicing right. Jada on set, guys. Oh my god. When the cat said it's so the
Shana.
Mommy, chop your target and come to you.
Shana.
Alright, she said I can't come.
Hello, good evening.
You good?
Yeah, but alright.
Nah, you look fine, though. What's about it? Jai.
Yeah, that's the way I tell you.
So what's cassava? The cassava make money?
Let's say guys, so we're going to chat us.
They're ready, tax.
Yo.
Brittany pull teeth. Look how Brittany have to sit and eat.
Brother, pass you something now, brother. I'm hungry, man. Dead like that. Give me this, my man. You know, and that's what I'm saying, so they're hungry. I'm 5 days now, I'm not yam. And they come like I want to suffer. Sure. Put your all the friggin' bacteria out. See one for the girl, take up your yam.
You don't look for chop another one. You don't look for chop another one. You don't look for chop another one. You don't look for chop another one.
I can't get you something here. Can't get your head up at the road.
Wow. I'm not the mama. That's sick. You have to go over there.
Oh, Brittany there.
Well, look, man, no fling stone like fling stone and gravel, you know. Hey, I ride for my youth and bust boy like me nothing. Hey, you know, get on mad.
Man, that don't make no sense again, man. I script out the whole movie like how you script out the movie.
What?
From start to
Just
finish.
give me something, come
Watch your people not to over there, so
Information that we giving you, I was
watch
giving
not
you.
to over there,
From
so
last week on Chicago, 5 Newlands Street, that's in Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios, yes. Okay, so
yeah, man, a lot of that one. Sit down and sleep.
we don't
Watch
play
him.
this tune now, we never play this tune now. We don't play this tune now, make a bomb.
Well, alright, man. Well,
See a friend party, and that's not all, you know?
well, alright, man.
You see a man, come on in now, you're good, man. As long as you're alright. Then I look by the side.
My ball for your friend, Fallan.
Then I can't take a ball in your own ball too.
You go ball? Fallan, you see say man jump like a bat, Fallan, you fi ball for you.
Look by the side there.
Yeah, me I look over there, man. I'm go on dog, me see me not see no crab yet. You not see no yet, not even dog. Pan for your side. I'm going for your tail.
No, friend, come on, that's already when some more.
Where? Jesus Christ. Lord God. Now my king job come over for me side. Woo. Remember when you see him coming and go walk this or go back down. Oh God, I swear to God, Father, he no go over on the road. So Fallan, post we catch all 3 crab, or we carry them down. But if we go call them, you know, crab them gone, you know? Oh. But we are look still. See one there?
Where?
In the water.
Where?
See him there?
In a dead. Blood
Dead
clot.
where? See
In
him
a
there?
watch pan.
You can't take him out? Bomba.
Where must swim so far?
2 of them. See next one there.
Give me one tick.
Wait.
Give me one tick quick. I 3 of them.
Me tell us a post we see 3 crab. And see it a 3. Uy. Me tell us.
Come, give me a tick
Come,
quick.
come.
Don't shine the lights.
Don't shine it. Me tell us a post we see 3 crab and see it a 3. I'm gonna have my phone to call them. Mind him bite you. So if me not shine the light you go see Fallan. Oh Jesus.
So like that
You
now.
gone now. Well, 2 of them went there now. You ain't seen another one over here, sir?
He gone too. See one there.
Yeah. You see him in the water like I
We
said?
can't catch him.
Like saying there, you see, yeah, touch, make him grab his stick. Yeah, make him free grab his stick. Yeah. He come up. He come up.
The pipe wet me.
It wet me up too.
One
Remember
of them
that.
can't swim.
Yeah, but you're not easy. I mean, if they can't swim. No water there.
You know say pussy them can't
Of
swim.
course they can't swim. The crab down under water and do like in dead.
You never know say them can't swim and swear like a bullfrog.
Bad. We are going to tell them say I want whole heap pussy around here. So whole heap in the water we see around here. So enough so
You
till.
never know the crab can't swim dog.
Yeah dog. So that means the crab the nearby here so too.
Rascal. Wait, let me put up it wait there.
They can't swim.
You never know say a fucking crab can't swim like a bullfrog.
Don't you know? Just no make sure you don't catch no bullfrog. I don't like bullfrog them. You say me go there on the water, duck me in a star. I want to see how I wet me up.
That's what we feel alive.
Make you feel alive. Me I looking at water and I come, I see when I crab come back. Yeah, she crab hole? She want big one in a one hold down there so
How
there.
me I take him out?
Me don't know about call them.
You look shit
Right.
down in the hole.
Yeah man, he in there man, he just want to say black him make him come out.
You can't believe it.
Man. And now then go say, then now we come left crab. And then if we come dive.
We have to go up with good one.
Oi! Mr. Chappie!
They're too far.
Chappie!
You can't get them. They're probably have sense.
Mr. Fi bend down, pause. There if you can, now walk over that side, over the side and see bullfrog. Don't dash your stick it, that's if you buck up your frog. And him coming and we wait. We went and pass out. You remember when we went there?
Well,
I don't know if we reached there yet. Now look over there. In case we reach there.
pass here.
Oh.
Can't
Nick!
get them.
Crab round here, your blouse cup.
We didn't need man here.
All in the water, you don't want to see crab.
We never know the crab can't
One
swim.
big one in our hole up there, so too.
We never know the crab can't swim. If they want to mash it, we're going to catch it, but we couldn't catch them.
Fallan they try flick them out of the water with the stick when me give him, but then fast, you see, then just stretch out.
You can't catch them.
Then just stretch out in the water, so. One fat one there and one hole up there.
For the thing, no man.
Pass them.
Hold on.
They started saying crab wash pan away.
Fallan, Lato, Champlan.
Let's take one.
Bumbo clock, no make him bite me.
No make him go on and shot bottom.
Why? Your blood clot, yo. Alright.
Don't swallow him pan, I'm a wally big one. I'm not.
Why name me partner?
Look big finger.
Come with the bag, my father.
Mixing go bite you.
Bite?
Champlan, you see you want to get to a gas station? You don't know send Nick carry him up
You want that way, neighbor?
and him get
Yo,
you see when
wonder.
daylight, Nick catch him, put him back in our bag. You know, in our bucket.
He must come from
You
that
know,
floor.
say crab get where
Doctor
again out
must
our
come
bucket
from
and him gone.
Breeding and
Me
breeding.
not tell
The
you.
crab gone when he came from the grill.
Yeah,
breeding
he get where a gas station, he get where when he go up and the crab get where
Never
again.
go shine the flag.
After me give him one hip of callaloo for eat, him
Shine it like him. Shine a light and look.
Come on. What my phone light? May I go for my phone light and bag?
Yeah.
My breed.
Yeah.
Hey crab, you're lucky huh? And dirty. And dirty crab that in dirty like how bust your head if you ever run out the road because you come bust your head. Run over it. Yeah. I want a dirty girl in this body. Kill him, murder in this body. Lucky for that of them here. First one that me da kill. Ain't too dirty, you know, the little kettle girl. Alright, again. Back him up, back him up. Back him up.
I wanna up.
Alright, I wanna sit.
I wanna the breathe.
Under the bread.
Run.
Go yourself, man. You soon find a spot where you feel left us.
Grab and run. Put it on there.
Watch you idiot, them they're full. Watch them, watch them. See?
Yeah, you just look to crowd. Come on, where you top from?
No, I said they're full now.
No, where we're going.
Right. The head up in a few more. If you don't leave me alright, come pick a shit on the head. Or suck your man out in the head.
Junk,
So you're alright,
where you?
Go have a good night. You can know me name, go have a good night.
So you're bad for them. Full man, they must look for you if you're
Go
bad.
make your man fuck out the whole have a good night.
Post for your man for call for you already where you're bad.
No man can't fuck me. Hey girl, how are you?
You can't get up, man, and get fucked.